Okay, so open up Cash App first of all. Once Cash App is open, what you need to do is just simply go to your sending by just pressing on this bank icon right over here. Once you press on it, it will bring you to your money tab. Now you just need to press on Bitcoin right over here. Once you press on it, you'll see all these options. You'll see these scan options. First of all, you can just scan it directly to, to send. But if you want to do it directly, just press on these arrows right over here, which you can just use manually. So once you press on them, they will show you the option of send or receive. Just press on send because you're sending. And right over here, it will show you this scanning sign again. So if you want to scan, just go ahead and scan. And also right over here, you could also choose the currency method like dollar, or you can choose BTC. It's up to you, whatever you want to choose. But for this video, we're just going to use dollar, and we're just going to do a smaller amount, let's say 10 cents. And yeah, I'm just going to press next after that. And right over here, you got an choice. It's about Bitcoin address and Lightning invoice. So Bitcoin address takes a bit time, and it takes sending time quite long time. And the other option is basically easy and simple. It's Lightning invoice. So it's up to you whether whatever you want to choose, but you can just simply pick one up, and you can just simply choose one, and just use them and go with it. So once all this is done, you can just go to your preferable app. So I'm just gonna use ZBD for this app right over here, and ZBD, and right over here, as you can see on this app. So what I'm gonna do is just choose the amount that I'm gonna receive. So 10 cents obviously, and then press next, and I'm just gonna press on create invoice. And here, as you can see, we do have the the scanning option. So I'm just going to copy the invoice code that we just need for that. And once we do that, here, as you can see, it says copy. So just go ahead and go back to the app, to the Cash App, and just paste in the link or invoice that we just copied. So once you copy it and all this is done, just press next. And here, as you can see, it's telling you all the details and everything, and it's telling you all the stuff. So once all this is confirmed, just press confirm and pay after that. So you just need to confirm the payment because it's BTC, and you need to confirm the security and everything. So just to be on the safe side, and arrives instantly. As I told you before, it's very fast and convenient. Just press confirm and pay. And after that, it's just gonna ask you confirm your cash win, and yeah, you're done. So just go back to your app, and here, as you can see, it says payment received, and it's done. So yeah, this is pretty much it. And just need to go to your transactions and confirm that as the payment is received. So yeah, uh, this is it. Hope you find it useful. I'll see you soon.